Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Today I'm just going to go over Putty and how to set up Putty so that when you log into your Linux box or router, you're going to save the logs. So you're going to say, okay, what did I do in that box, a particular box? Maybe a NetApp box, maybe Linux box, Debian, Red Hat, FreeBSD. First things first, if you don't have Putty, you just download it from google.com. Type in Putty, P-U-T-T-Y. Go to the first site and download Putty. Once it's downloaded, then you it's follow the steps to download it. Essentially, it's an executable file. Then you log into it. So once you're logged into it, so you have your session. So your session is like your host name, your SSH rather, your logging. So here's the setting about the logging portion. Let me load I've already done this. Let me load this profile up. So when if you were to say have a profile, or you go somewhere a lot of times, you can create a profile and it saves it. And it's every time you just load it. And everything that when you load in there, it comes up. Notice, like if I just load default, you'll see there's nothing set. But when I do session, my BIOS router, I'll load that. And I have everything I have set up. I have the, my font size, the, let's see, my logging, which I log my output. This is actually how you do it. So your session logging, you click on printable output, and then you just define the location of the output file. Say like it could be it's going to be like a notepad, right? So mine is on my desktop. It's called BIOS router, and that's a notepad file. So the other thing is, so the most important part actually about this is when you want to overwrite the file, meaning you don't want to erase it and start over. You don't want to have to keep creating all these log files, right? So this is what you check on. You check on always append to the end of it, and of course omit the passwords. So let's see how this works, right? So I've already done this. My BIOS profile. Let's click open. Let me log in. Okay. Okay. Let's type in something like okay. Invalid command. Exit. Let's go out of that, right? And let's do the same thing. Let's first click on that file that I've just created. Notice I've typed something in, and what did I type in? Hello, my name is meshed. Okay, let's close that. Let's try this again. Open and go BIOS, and okay, and I don't know. Let's see, test 2. Okay, exit. All right, now we click on the router again, notepad rather. Open a notepad, and there you see we have the second portion. So that's pretty unique right there. That's pretty cool. Other programs do the same thing, right? But it's just a really nice feature to have when you're troubleshooting and you want to know, what did I do when that router before? So that's the unique part about it. So if you don't have Putty, it's awesome. Play with it. Get familiarize yourself with it. It's free. It's open source. It's a terminal emulator, if you want to log into like Cisco device or something like that. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching this video.